Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English practice lesson. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn today. Learning English at home is the best way to start because we use these sentences every single day. We will speak very slowly and very clearly so you can understand every word. Please listen to our voices and try to repeat the sentences in your head. Motivation is the key to success in learning a new language. You do not need big words to speak well. You only need simple sentences that people use in real life. Today, Sarah and I will show you how to talk from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep. We want you to feel confident when you are at home. Take a deep breath and let us begin this lesson together.
Hello, I am Sarah, and I am so excited to be here with Mr. Only. We are going to talk about a normal day at home. We will talk about waking up and making breakfast and cleaning the house and going to bed. The context of this lesson is a typical family home. We will use easy English that you can use with your family or your roommates. It is important to practice every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. I will help Mr. Only explain everything in a way that is easy to follow. We will repeat many sentences because repetition helps your brain remember. Let us start our morning routine and see how much English we can use together.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Mr. Only. Yes, I slept very well, thank you. Did you have a good sleep too, Mr. Only?
I slept well, Sarah, but I am still a little bit tired. What time is it right now, Sarah?
It is 7 o'clock in the morning, Mr. Only. It is time to get out of bed.
You are right, Sarah. I need to wake up properly. I am going to the bathroom to wash my face.
That is a good idea, Mr. Only. I am going to the kitchen to make some coffee. Do you want some coffee, Mr. Only?
Yes, please, Sarah. I would love a cup of hot coffee. Do we have any milk in the fridge, Sarah?
Let me check the fridge for you, Mr. Only. Yes, Mr. Only, we have a full bottle of milk.
Thank you, Sarah. I will be in the kitchen in 5 minutes. I need to brush my teeth first.
Take your time, Mr. Only. I am starting the coffee machine now.
I am finished in the bathroom now, Sarah. The coffee smells very good.
I'm glad you like the smell, Mr. Only. Here is your coffee. Be careful because it is very hot, Mr. Only.
Thank you, Sarah. This is a great way to start the day. What should we have for breakfast, Sarah?
I can make some eggs and toast, Mr. Only. Does that sound good to you, Mr. Only?
That sounds perfect, Sarah. I am quite hungry this morning. Can I help you with anything, Sarah?
Yes, please, Mr. Only. Could you put the bread in the toaster, Mr. Only?
Of course, Sarah. I will put 4 slices of bread in the toaster right now.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I am frying the eggs now. Do you want your eggs well done, Mr. Only?
Yes, please, Sarah. I like my eggs cooked all the way through.
Okay, Mr. Only. The eggs will be ready in just a minute.
The toast is ready now, Sarah. It popped up just in time.
Great, Mr. Only. Please put the toast on the plates. Breakfast is served, Mr. Only.
This looks delicious, Sarah. Thank you for cooking breakfast.
You're welcome, Mr. Only. Let us eat while the food is still warm.
Sarah, the food was wonderful. Now I feel much more awake.
I'm happy to hear that, Mr. Only. Now we should clean the table.
I will help you, Sarah. I can put the dirty dishes in the sink.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will wipe the table with a cloth.
Is the kitchen floor clean, Sarah, or should I sweep it?
The floor looks a bit dirty, Mr. Only. Could you please sweep the floor, Mr. Only?
I will do that right now, Sarah. Where is the broom, Sarah?
The broom is behind the door in the laundry room, Mr. Only.
I found it, Sarah. I am sweeping the floor now. It will be clean very soon.
Thank you for your help, Mr. Only. The house looks much better when it is clean.
You are right, Sarah. Now I need to check the weather. Is it raining outside, Sarah?
Let me look out the window, Mr. Only. No, it is not raining, but it looks very cloudy, Mr. Only.
Maybe I should take an umbrella just in case, Sarah.
That is a smart choice, Mr. Only. It is better to be safe.
Sarah, I have some laundry to do. Is the washing machine empty, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, the washing machine is empty. You can put your clothes in now.
Thank you, Sarah. I will start the wash cycle. Do we have enough soap, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, there is a box of soap on top of the machine.
I see it now, Sarah. Thank you. I will finish this and then I have to do some work.
What kind of work are you doing today, Mr. Only?
I have to write some letters and check my emails, Sarah.
That sounds like a busy morning, Mr. Only. I will leave you to work in the office.
Thank you, Sarah. I will see you at lunchtime.
See you then, Mr. Only. Have a productive morning.
Sarah, I am finished with my work now. I am very hungry again.
It is already noon, Mr. Only. Time for lunch. What would you like to eat, Mr. Only? I can make a sandwich or a salad, Mr. Only.
A sandwich sounds very good, Sarah. What kind of meat do we have, Sarah?
We have some chicken and some ham, Mr. Only.
I would like a chicken sandwich, please, Sarah.
I will make that for you right now, Mr. Only. Do you want lettuce and tomato too, Mr. Only?
Yes, please, Sarah. I like lots of vegetables in my sandwich.
Here is your chicken sandwich, Mr. Only. I also brought you a glass of water.
Thank you so much, Sarah. You are very kind.
It is my pleasure, Mr. Only. After lunch, I am going to water the plants in the garden.
The garden looks beautiful, Sarah. You do a great job with the flowers.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I enjoy spending time outside in the fresh air.
Sarah, I think the washing machine has finished. I should hang the clothes.
I can help you with that, Mr. Only. The sun is coming out now.
That is great news, Sarah. The clothes will dry very fast in the sun.
Mr. Only, could you pass me the clothespins, please?
Here they are, Sarah. Here are the clothespins.
Thank you, Mr. Only. We are a great team when we work together.
I agree, Sarah. Now that the chores are done, maybe we can rest for a bit.
That sounds lovely, Mr. Only. I will sit on the sofa and read a book.
And I will sit in my chair and listen to some music, Sarah.
What kind of music are you going to listen to, Mr. Only?
I think I will listen to some classical music, Sarah. It is very relaxing.
Enjoy your music, Mr. Only. I will enjoy my book.
Sarah, it is getting late. The sun is going down.
You are right, Mr. Only. It is almost evening. Should we think about dinner, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. What should we cook for dinner tonight?
How about some pasta, Mr. Only? Everyone likes pasta.
That is a wonderful idea, Sarah. I love pasta with tomato sauce.
I will start boiling the water, Mr. Only. Can you chop the onions, Mr. Only?
I can do that, Sarah. I will be careful with the knife.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will prepare the sauce while you chop the onions.
The onions are ready, Sarah. My eyes are a little bit watery now.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Only. That happens when you chop onions.
It is okay, Sarah. I'm fine. The sauce smells delicious already.
Dinner will be ready in 20 minutes, Mr. Only.
Perfect, Sarah. I will set the table while I wait.
Thank you, Mr. Only. We need plates and forks and napkins.
I have everything ready on the table now, Sarah.
The pasta is cooked, Mr. Only. Let us eat our dinner.
This is the best pasta I have ever tasted, Sarah.
I'm so glad you like it, Mr. Only. I added some herbs from the garden.
You are a very good cook, Sarah. Thank you for this meal.
You helped too, Mr. Only. Thank you for the help.
Now that we are finished, Sarah, I will wash the dishes tonight.
Are you sure, Mr. Only? I do not mind doing them.
No, Sarah. You cooked the meals, so I will clean the dishes.
That is very fair, Mr. Only. Thank you.
I am finished with the dishes now, Sarah. Everything is clean and dry.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Now it is time to relax before bed.
Yes, Sarah. I am going to turn on the television for a little while.
What is on the news today, Mr. Only?
I am not sure, Sarah. I will check the channel.
It is 10 o'clock, Mr. Only. We should go to bed soon.
You are right, Sarah. I have a long day tomorrow.
I will go and lock the front door, Mr. Only.
And I will turn off all the lights in the house, Sarah.
Don't forget to check the windows, Mr. Only.
I checked them, Sarah. They are all closed.
Good night, Mr. Only. I hope you have sweet dreams.
Good night, Sarah. Sleep well and see you in the morning.
Now I want to explain some of the sentences we just used. When Mr. Only asked me if I slept well, he was being very polite. This is a common way to start a conversation in the morning. If someone asks you, "Did you sleep well?" you can say, "Yes, I slept very well," or "No, I am still tired." Let us try another small conversation about the kitchen. Mr. Only, could you ask me about the dishes again?
Of course, Sarah. Sarah, are the dishes in the sink clean or dirty?
They are dirty, Mr. Only. Please do not use them yet.
Okay, Sarah, I will wash them right now.
Thank you, Mr. Only. That is very helpful. You see how simple that was? We used words like clean and dirty and wash. These are very important words for the home. Let us try a situation about the weather.
Sarah, do I need a coat today?
Yes, Mr. Only. It is very cold outside. You should wear your heavy coat, Mr. Only.
Thank you for telling me, Sarah. I will put my coat on now.
This is how we talk about daily needs. We also talked about chores like sweeping the floor or doing the laundry. If you want to ask for help, you can say, "Could you help me?" or "Can you help me?" For example, "Mr. Only, can you help me move this chair?"
Yes, Sarah, I can help you move the chair. Where do you want it, Sarah?
Please put it near the window, Mr. Only.
No problem, Sarah. I will move it for you right now.
Thank you, Mr. Only. It is also important to say please and thank you. It makes the conversation very kind. When you are eating, you can say, "This food is delicious," or "I'm full." Let us practice that.
Sarah, are you finished with your dinner?
Yes, Mr. Only, I am full. I cannot eat any more.
It was a very big meal, Sarah. I am full too.
I am glad we enjoyed it, Mr. Only. Now, let us think about evening words. We use words like turn off the lights or lock the door. Mr. Only, did you turn off the light in the hallway?
Oh, I forgot, Sarah. I will go and turn it off now.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Now the house is dark and ready for sleep.
It is important to practice these small dialogues every day. You can even talk to yourself at home. You can say, "I'm making coffee," or "I'm brushing my teeth." This helps your brain connect English words to your real actions. Sarah, do you have any more tips for our students?
Yes, Mr. Only. My tip is to not worry about making mistakes. Even if you say a word wrong, people will usually understand you. The most important thing is to keep speaking. Let us try one more role play about looking for something.
Sarah, have you seen my car keys? I cannot find them anywhere.
I think I saw them on the table in the hallway, Mr. Only.
I already looked there, Sarah, but they're not there now.
Wait, Mr. Only. I see them. They are in the pocket of your jacket.
Oh, you're right, Sarah. I found them. Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, Mr. Only. I am glad I could help you find them.
That happens to me a lot, Sarah. I'm always losing my keys.
Do not worry, Mr. Only. We all lose things sometimes. Just stay calm and look slowly.
That is good advice, Sarah. Thank you for practicing with me today. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. We hope you enjoyed listening to our daily English sentences.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Remember that practicing English at home is the best way to improve your speaking skills.
Please listen to this recording many times, Sarah, and I want you to feel very comfortable with these words.
Every time you listen, you will understand a little bit more. You are doing a great job already.
Keep practicing and do not give up. Learning a language takes time, but you can do it.
We believe in you. Thank you for spending your time with Mr. Only and Sarah today.
Have a wonderful day at home, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.